In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in QuickBooks Online. If you need to give a team member, accountant, or another authorized person access to your QuickBooks account, the process is simple once you know where to look. The most important part is making sure you choose the right role because that determines what the new user can see and do inside your company file. To get started, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into your account so you're on the main homepage. Once you're in, look for the Settings option. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account and company management tools, including user access controls. Click on Settings, and from there, select Manage Users. This area lets you view existing users, check their access, and add new people when needed. If you're managing a growing team, this is also the place you'll return to later if you want to update permissions or remove access. Inside Manage Users, go to the Users tab and click Add User. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the person you want to invite. You'll be asked to enter the user's name and email address. Be sure to type the email carefully, since the invitation will be sent there. If the email is incorrect, the person won't receive the invite and you may need to repeat the process. Next, select a role from the drop-down menu. This step is especially important because the role controls the user's access and permissions within QuickBooks. In other words, it defines what they're allowed to view, edit, or manage. Before choosing, take a moment to think about what that person actually needs access to. It's usually best to give users only the level of access required for their job, which helps keep your financial data more secure and organized. After you've entered the name, added the email address, and selected the appropriate role, click Send Invitation. QuickBooks will then send an email invitation to that user so they can accept access to the account. Once they accept, they'll be able to sign in according to the permissions you assigned. And that's it. That's how to add users in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review your user list regularly to make sure everyone still has the right level of access. Keeping permissions up to date is one of the easiest ways to maintain security and prevent confusion in your bookkeeping workflow.